Welcome back. Welcome back, my friends. All right, I'm going to show you the culprit here. There's my stain. That's a shadow right there. But there's my stain. Far off, you can't really tell it, but yeah, it's there. So here's my solution. I had somebody eating cheese sticks in here. And they dropped their marinara sauce right there. So I'm hoping I can dab this thing with some vinegar. Break it up. Kind of like this. Put it in here. Gotta wash this anyway, so we'll just use this. Alright, so this should dry. No, it's a Chevrolet truck. Now it's that time, like, now we gotta wait for it to dry. Cause like now I'm sitting worried, like, I worry every time because I only had yellow vinegar. I didn't have white vinegar. And I'm hoping that dries. Because like it takes a while for these seats. I got these, this is called Coca Dune Sands. Or light Coca Dune Sands. Because it's like this chocolate color. But yeah. Yeah, it's kind of a nice day outside. I so far love this truck. You know, it's dirty. I had to take it off road the other day to get back to a car that was said to just have a starter issue. Well, it turned out it had a blown head gasket on it. I opened up the Dexcool container and it was completely sludged out. I got my water in the back seat here. Got rid of the small stain, created a bigger one. I don't think that was truly the case. I've used vinegar before to clean seats in my Mustang, my red one, and it came out. Grab some water. Grab a little water with some Dawn. And a rag. I should just wipe it over. Big Rocco. What up, Putty? Oh. A little bit of the Dion Platinum. Yeah, I do got to trim my beard. Trying to avoid putting seat covers on this bad boy. That's what I'm trying to avoid. Just gotta wait for the shit to dry now. I think that might have done it. That should dry good and be done. We can only wait. We can only wait. We traded the Mustang in. I just had the truck. Just got the truck. I got the custom Chevy floor mats. Z71. It's 98 degrees out right now. It's 98 degrees. Bongo? It's over here. Bongo! Biggest bongo! There's a bongo boy. There's your bongo boy. Say hi, bongo. Say, I'm surviving heartworms. Heartworm survivor. My big brown-eyed boy. Who's the big brown-eyed boy? Who's the bestest boy? It's Bongo. Bongo needs pets. We can give Bongo pets. Hey, Bongo. Come here, buddy. Bongo gets the pets. Yeah, hot ass South Carolina day. You'd rather watch Bongo stream than me. I wish I had a water extractor. I know the water's gonna come back because I've had water on the seat before. You can't drive on string. But that's it for now, boys. I'll see you guys a little bit later. I'm Audi 5000.